everyone. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to solve the paper S20, that is May-June 2020 paper, variant 22. So this is a question paper. I need to have the question paper and the supporting files to solve the paper. So instructions are given here. May-June 2020 paper. The exam is for 2 hours 30 minutes. So let's see the various tasks given. You have supplied with the following source files. These source files are there. Task 1, evidence document. Open the file J220 evidence.rtf. Make sure that your name, center number, candidate number will appear on every page in this document. So let's open that file, evidence file. This is the file J220 evidence. Just open that file, double click, it will get opened as a Word file. This is your evidence file. Now take the question paper, you can see. Make sure your name, center number, candidate number will appear on every page in this document. So we are going to add name, center number, candidate number in the header. Save this document in your work areas J220 evidence followed by a candidate number, for example, like this. So this step is also very important. You have to insert header, go to insert tab, header. Choose blank 3 columns. Type your name, center number, candidate number, close header and footer. Then you can go to file, save as. Make sure you save this document as a Word file. It's very important. You have to save this document as a Word file. So click here, choose a Word document, followed by your candidate number, save. So right now I have saved the evidence document in the given format. You will need to place screenshots in this evidence document. So all the screenshots you will be placing in this evidence document. So we have done task 1. Next is task 2, document. That is document production. That is using Microsoft Word software. You are going to edit a report. The company uses a corporate house style for all its documents. One paragraph style has been created and applied. Additional paragraph styles must be created and applied to the report as instructed. So we will do step by step. Open the file J220 bikepack.rtf. The page setup is set to A4, landscape orientation with 2 cm. Do not make any change to these settings. So they are telling the page is already set as A4 with landscape orientation with 2 cm margin. You are not supposed to make any change to these settings. Save the document in your work area in the format of the software you are using. The software that we are using is Microsoft Word with the file name BP Guide. So let's open this file J2020 220 bikepack.rtf. RTF stands for Rich Text Format. Okay, so let's open the source folder. This is a file J220 bike pack. Open it. It will get opened in Microsoft Word. So this is the file. It's already set in landscape A4. We have got 2 pages in this. 2 styles are given here. Now we are asked to save this as BP guide in the format of the software. So the format of the software means Microsoft Word. Go to File, Save As, type BP guide. Again here you have to make sure you are saving it as a Word document. Click Save. Now the file name has appeared here, BP guide. So first step is done. Evidence 1. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show that the file has been saved. Make sure there is evidence of the file type. So just go to the folder where you have saved the file. This is the folder. So you can see BP guide, Microsoft Word document here. Just take a screenshot of that. You can either use screenshot or I am using a snipping tool. Whichever method you want, you can do that. Open your evidence document. This is your evidence document. Below evidence 1, I'm going to paste it. The BP guide, Microsoft Word document. So from here they can make out it's saved in Microsoft Word. Remove any preset page breaks in the document. Page breaks are may be set, so if there is any preset page break, remove that one. So I'm just opening my BP guide. Just to see whether page breaks are set, I'm just clicking on this button, that is show or hide formatting features. Just click on that and just scroll down to see whether there is any page break. Yes, here there is a page break. Just click here, press backspace key. The page break is removed. Let's scroll down and see whether there is any other page break. No other page breaks are there in this document. So we are done with that step. Then after that, click this back again so that all the formatting marks are removed. Third question, place in the footer automated page number, left aligned, your name, center number, candidate number, right aligned. So you need to keep page number on the left, automated page number on the left, and your name, center number, candidate number on the right side. And all these things are to be kept in the footer. Just open your Word document, go to Insert tab, Footer, choose blank 3 columns. In the left side, you will be doing automated page number. So just click here, go to Quick Parts, Field, Page. Select Page. You will get page numbers. Click OK. So now we have inserted automated page number. On the right side, you need to type your name, center number, candidate number. There is nothing to be typed here, so I click here, press delete, it will be removed, then close header and footer. That is done. Make sure all the alignments match page margins. No other text or placeholders are included in header or footer areas. Footers are displayed on all pages. Let's see. I'm checking in the next page also. Yes, footer is displayed in all the pages, so that is done. Now, the next question is create and store the following styles, basing each on default paragraph style. House style specifications. House style specifications are mainly used by organizations so that all the documents prepared or issued from these organizations will have same formatting, same logo, same heading style, same formatting features, same paragraph style. So it will give a consistency for all the documents created by this organization or this company. So that is called as house style specification. Some styles are specified. These are house style specifications for this document. These are the house style specifications. There are four styles to be specified: BP subtitle, BP subhead, BP body, BP table, and the styles are also specified here. So we are going to create these styles. Our question is to create these styles. So open the Word document, BP guide. In the Home tab, there is Styles group. There is a small arrow in the Styles group bottom right corner. Just click on that. You will get this window. You can see AA. Just click on that. Create new style form from formatting. That window will be open. Create new style. That window will be opened. Then you are going to specify each style. That style name is BP subtitle. Style type, I'm just going to keep it as paragraph itself. Style based on normal, I'm not going to change anything. This one, I'll keep it as such. Font style is sans serif. Sans serif means Arial. I'm choosing Arial. Font size 20. Choose 20. Alignment right. I've chosen right. Enhancement italic. It's already in italic. Line spacing single space before is 0 point, space after is 0 point. So I'll just go to format. If you can't see any of the features here, all you have to do is go to format. You have all the formatting features here. So to make the line spacing single space before and after 0 point, I'll just go to format, click on paragraph. This will get open. Make sure line spacing is single, spacing before is 0 point, after is 0 point, then click OK. Click OK. Now you can see the new style BP subtitle is defined here. So now let's define the other styles also. The next style is BP subhead. Again, click on this one. This is BP subhead. I'm going to modify. Make sure this is normal. Then you have serif. The font style is serif. Serif means Times New Roman. 18. Size is 18. Choose 18. Center. Bold, underline. Bold, underline. I don't need italic, so I'm removing that. So bold and underlined. Single, line spacing is single, space before is 0, space after is 9. Just click here. Paragraph, single, space before 0, space after 9. Click OK. OK. Now BP subhead is also defined. Now our next style is BP body. So again click on this new style. Type BP body. Make sure this is chosen as normal. Sans serif. Sans serif means Arial. Choose Arial. font size is 11 points. Justified with a first line intent of 1.5 centimeter. So it should be justified as well as the first line should have a spacing of 1.5 centimeter, indented 1.5 centimeter. So go to format, again paragraph, click here, make sure it is chosen as justified. Now click here, choose first line. First line should be intended 1.5 centimeter. So that is done. Now check the line spacing. Single 06. It's single. Before space is 0. After space should be 6. Then click OK. So you can see first line, left to right, justified after 6 points. So we have defined the style. And enhancements, none. There should not be any enhancement. So just go back here so that that italic is removed. Then click OK. So BP body is also defined. Now again click on new style. Let's see what is the next style. BP table. Next style is BP table. Type BP table. Style based on normal. Serif font, that is Times New Roman. It's already in Times New Roman. 10. Select 10. Center italic. Choose center italic. Single 00. Just go to format, paragraph, single 00. Just click OK. OK. So now we have defined all the styles. You can see this in the style manager. This window is called as style manager window. Evidence 2. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show that the style settings have been defined for BP body style. Make sure this style is based on default paragraph style. So again, you just open this one. You can click on BP body. You can see all the styles defined here, or else you can just click on modify. Again, you can see all the styles. So all you have to do is take a screenshot of it, paste it, or else use the snipping tool, select it, then copy, paste it in the evidence document. Evidence 2. Below evidence 2, select the evidence document. Below evidence 2, you can paste it here. BP body. So that is done. Now question 5. Display these custom style names as a list in the style manager or organizer. Provide screenshot evidence of this list. So again, open your Word file. This is called as the style manager. You can take a screenshot of this. So you can either use snipping tool or you can use screenshot method, whichever one is preferred, you can use. So I'm just selecting this part, copy, open your evidence document, evidence 3. So now you have copy pasted all the required styles. So we have done till question 5. Let's move on to the next question. The style name BP title has already been created, stored and applied to the title text. Modify BP title style so only the following formatting is applied. So we have to modify BP title. We have to make it to serif, font size 34, alignment center, bold, italic, single 00. So let's open the Word document again. BP title, just click here, right click, modify. It will open this window. Make it serif. Serif means Times New Roman. Font size 34. Just type 34 here. Center. Going to make it center. Bold, italic. Line spacing, single space before and after. Just go to paragraph, single space before 0 point, space after also we are going to make it as 0 point. Click OK. Then click OK. Now let's see, this is how the title is coming now. Place in your evidence document a screenshot of these style settings for BP title style. So we have to take a screenshot of this. You can keep one screenshot of this. Just click here, right click, modify. You can see all these styles here. I'm going to select this area, copy, click here, paste. Here I'm not able to see the paragraph settings, so I'm just going to take one more screenshot. Just go to format, paragraph, or you can do it together. You can keep this open, both these things opened, and take a screenshot together so this paragraph, line spacing, and all these things will also be visible. Like this together, you can take a screenshot and paste this in your evidence document. I have pasted this in my evidence document, so that is also done. Below the title, question 7. Below the title, add the subtitle produced by and add your name. I need to add this text below the title. Let's open my Word document, BP guide. So this is the title. I'm closing this one. This is the title. Press enter. Then type produced by and add your name. So type produced by, the spelling should be correct. Write your name here. Apply BP subtitle style to this text. So select this text. Find out BP subtitle. You can click that. Now that style is applied. Question 8. Apply BP body style to rest of the document. So open your Word. From here till the end document, apply BP body style. Make sure the style is applied everywhere. Yes, it's applied. Apply tick-shaped bullets to the text from full course must be completed to and observe local laws. So just open your text. If you're finding it difficult to find out where the text that they have mentioned, you can press Ctrl and F. The search bar will open here, then search for the text. Full course must be completed. I'll just search for it here. Okay, so I can see it easily where this comes. So from here till the end, I have to apply a bulleted tick marks. Apply tick-shaped bullets to the text from full course must be completed to and observe local laws. So I'm going to apply a tick mark, bullets tick mark. Click here, choose these tick marks. The tick marks are applied now. Make sure that the bullets are intended 1.5 centimeter from the left margin with an hanging intent applied if the text wraps to a second line. So again I open this one. I go to the paragraph group, click here. So indentation, I'll type 1.5 centimeter. Just click here, type 1.5 centimeter. Then it's already hanging intent. So click OK. That's done. The list is in single line spacing with no space between the lines. So again I go back here, select this, go to paragraph. I'll click on line spacing option, single. I'll click OK. Now it's single line spacing. There is a 6-point space after the last item in the list. Only after the last item in the list there is a 6-point space. Just click after the list, click here, 6 point space is added. So we have done this question. Now identify 5 subheadings in the document and apply BP subhead style to each one. So we need to identify 5 subheadings. So to make this process easier, I'm going to reduce the zoom so I can see the subheadings easily. So this is the first subheading, then I'll keep the control key pressed. The second subheading, the third subheading, the fourth subheading, the fifth subheading. Then I'm going to apply the style BP subhead. That is applied. So this is an easy method. You can reduce the zoom, you can identify the subheadings, keep the control key pressed and select all the subheadings, then apply that style. That is done. Locate the table in the document. Delete the entire column with the heading time limit. You need to locate the table in the document. So let's see where there is table in our document. So this is the table. So to make it clearly visible, I'm going to add borders. Just click on this icon. Then I'll give borders for this so that it will be easy for me to see the table. Okay. Delete the entire column with the heading time limit. So this is that column. Move your mouse pointer here. Select this one. Right click. Delete columns. That column is deleted. Okay. That is done. Now I'll just remove this one which I have given. No borders. So it's like the previous one. Now question 12, change the page layout so that the subheading racing and all the following text. So including the subheading racing and all the following text, it displayed in 2 columns of equal width with 2 centimeter gap between the columns. So we have to do it from the subheading racing. So from here till the end of the document, I have to format it into 2 columns and there is 2 centimeter gap. So go to page layout, columns, more columns, 2, spacing should be 2 centimeter. Now click OK. So you can see from the raising column, it's in 2 centimeter. So this is very important. You have to include the heading also. And from the heading till the end of the document, you have to select, then go to page layout, columns, then more columns, then select 2, then give the spacing, that is the gap 2 centimeter. Question 13. Format the table so that the border and all data fit within column width. BP table style is applied to all data. Text in all rows is center aligned vertically. No words are split where the text is wrapped within the table. All internal and external grid lines are displayed when printed. There is no cell shading. There is 6-point space after the table. So I'll just start with this one. The border and all data fit within the column width. This is the column width.